We're gonna go. Hold on. Okay? We're gonna go. Let me just go grab some stuff. Oh, you wanna go already? Okay, okay. Huh? Are you sure? Right now? Okay, I just gotta grab something really fast. Really fast. Okay? Why not? We're gonna go. Hold on. Let me grab this real fast, okay? Real fast. All right. Okay, let's go then. Okay, we go. Huh? What? Okay, I'm going. Wait. What? Okay. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh. Okay. You wanna go? Now? Right now? Okay. You think you deserve to go? You do? Okay, hold on. Okay. Wait, I gotta grab your blanket. Yes, I have to grab the blanket. Okay, I got the blanket. Let's go in the truck. Okay? Where's your sister? Oli, come here. Oli, come here. Are you waiting by the truck already? Come here. Come on. Come over here, Oli. Wait, tell your sister, come on. Tell your sister, let's go. And then we go. Go tell her. Come on. Come here, Oli. Come here. Say hi. Wait, come here. Are you excited? You want to go too? Wait. Come here. Wait, no, where are you going? Okay, let's go then. We're going. Let's go. All right. In the truck. Wait, let me set your bed up.